Hello, welcome to Steel and Wood Outdoors. So today, apologize for the road noise. I'm just in my backyard and figured we have a little campfire in the fire pit and see if we can get a fire started from ferro rod and some feather sticks. The knife I'll be using today, as we talked about on our last camping video, I was using that Ontario Rat 5 knife and wanted to see if the K-bar fighting knife coating would be better with batoning and everything and not come off so easily as it did with the Rat 5. So today I'm using my K-bar fighting knife. This is a 7-inch blade with a clip point. Now I have heard people say that since this tip is not, this clip point is not sharpened, but it's made thinner, that it kind of tears up your batoning wood. But we'll take a look and see how it does. Now, keep in mind, this is my first time trying to do feather sticks, so it's definitely a bit on the rougher side. Well, as you can see, this coating seems to be holding up pretty well. These white spots here are just, I don't know if that's sap or something, but that's not the actual blade. I don't see any of the actual black coating of the blade that has come off. So +1 on the K-bar. Alright, so let's see if we can't get this little pile of shavings that got knocked off lit with the ferro rod and use our fire sticks to get this thing going. Feather sticks. And that, my friends, is what happens when you're in the Georgia heat. You don't have the right tinder, can't get a ferro rod fire started, and say screw it. Good old trusty. So I think what we're going to do tonight is once this fire burns down to coals, we're going to have a little camp cooking over the fire. So what we'll be doing is a couple of steaks and a couple cobs of corn and some potato chunks. Fried potatoes. That sounds really good right about now. Don't forget your fire safety. Remember what Smokey said. So you're all probably wondering what firearm I'm carrying. Well, I'm just in my backyard in a pair of basketball shorts and a t-shirt. Those of you that live in the South, you know what this heat is like. So there's no way I was putting on a holster or actual pants or shorts or whatever. Not out here. The benefits of living near a big city on a main road. So today I've got my Ruger LCP in 380. This is super easy to just pop in a little pocket holster, stick it in your pocket, good to go. It's a little heavy in the pocket, you know, for just having basketball shorts on, but compared to anything else I would carry, it's almost nothing. like Captain Price. Just enjoying a little cigar here. Fire's getting burned. Yeah, it's getting pretty close to being coals, and we'll be throwing the food. We'll be throwing the grate on and the food on shortly. Oh, it's been lovely to have a nice little campfire. All right, so we're down to coals. We got some corn on the cob and peppers, onions, and potatoes. We're warming up here, and then after that, we'll be cooking some New York strip. And these are the simple potatoes, diced potatoes. So our vegetables are cooking away. Our corn is almost done here, and so we'll be taking those off pretty shortly. Alright, so we got a couple of New York strips here. I'm gonna throw them on the grill or the fire, coals. So we've seasoned those up with salt, pepper, and keg seasoning, and those vegetables are coming along nicely. Alright, we just had a few minutes on the one side for these steaks, and we've flipped them over. Man, that looks like a good charbroil there. A good crust. So we'll only do a few minutes on the other side, maybe 2 or 3, to get them to a medium. That's how we like our steak, medium. And then we'll pull them off, let them rest, and we'll have a delicious dinner here. And here is the finished product. Delicious dinner. Look at that, perfectly pink. Well, I appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy my content. And as always, have a great day. And at this point, I'm signing off. Take care.